In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poll on Instagram. So what you're going to want to do is simply go to your Instagram account. You want to add to your story. So just choose add to your story. You can take a picture or really anything that you want. And so once you have this here, you want to go up to the top corner here and hit your stickers. And then go down to where it says poll here. And from here, you can just ask any question you want, and your poll will be created. And I'm just typing something in here, and you can just write anything you want. You can make the poll any topic and ask as many questions or answers as you want. And that's about it. That's really all that you really want to do. And after here, you would just hit post, and it would post to your story, and then people can go and vote and decide, and you'll have a percentage of what they chose. So I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure to follow for more.